Best deals.
1. Hanger. Made of high-grade anti-rust stainless steel and high-quality ABS plastic. Don't worry about the distortion of the hanger, always durable and keep a good shape as its premium quality. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Board for shirts. The stackable clothes organizer system allows you to take out the cloth you want easily without destroying other folded clothes. It can use it closets, drawers, cloth racks and trunk. Not only suitable for thin clothes such as pants, shorts, pajamas, long-sleeved, t-shirts, towels, uniforms but also for thick clothes like sweaters, pullovers etc. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Shoes rack. Sturdy shoe rack constructed from durable plastic material, ensuring longevity and reliability. Fixed height design provides stability and convenience. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Cabinet for storage. Made from high-quality plastic, ensuring durability and longevity. Stylish double-door cabinet designed to elevate your living space. Features a lightweight design with knockdown construction for added robustness. Equipped with a safety lock and tower bolt for protection. Includes 4 spacious shelves to meet all your storage needs, designed for quick and hassle-free assembly, making setup a breeze. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Wardrobe for clothes. The frame of the panel is made of high-quality plastic with aluminum frame, which is strong and not easy to deform. High-quality resin composite materials with steel frame ensure each cube or hanging section supports up to 10 lbs. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Laundry hamper bag. Comes with a sticky hook in the package, no need to punch the wall, provides you 2 ways to hold your clothes. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Hangers. Have been designed with an intentionally bend on the lower bend to prevent strappy clothes from falling. You can also hang clothing items such as braces, skirt, tie, scarves, and garments including camisoles, tanks, shirts, tees, blouses, pants, trousers, skirts, dresses. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Bed sheet organizers. Enjoy optimal convenience with foldable design, maximizing storage space and eliminating clutter in your linen closet. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Under bed storage organizer. Made of upgraded metal pipes and breathable non-woven fabric to protect your clothes from dust and moisture. Compared to linen under bed storage which tear easily, a metal under bed storage is more durable and have better load-bearing capacity to meet your long-term storage needs. With wheels feature 2 reinforced handles and 4,360 degrees rotating wheels allow under bed storage containers to slide easily across the floor or carpet. 2 of the wheels have a locking function, and when you need it to stay still, you just gently press the locking mechanism. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Wardrobe organizer. Equipped with handles for easy carrying, this fabric storage box is designed for convenience, allowing you to move your wardrobe organizer for storage wherever needed. Organizer fits seamlessly into most closets and cupboards, making it an excellent shirt organizer for wardrobe for men and women alike. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Clothes hanging 3 shelf organizer. Make it easy to store, display and organize sweaters, hats, shirts, towels, socks, providing excellent accessibility. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Undergarments hanger. With stainless steel structure and stainless steel clips with plastic mouth grip, ensuring that your delicate clothes dry securely without leaving any marks or imprints, and features a sturdy stainless steel chain that can withstand loads. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Clothes storage box are the perfect way to store not just those expensive contained saris, shirts, pants, undergarments, comforters, blankets, pillows, plush toys, jacket or other iron clothes. Foldable storage box for clothes is made of Oxford fabric cloth. The appearance is transparent and visually pleasing, and it provides an elegant storage solution for your wardrobe needs. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Shirt stacker. Made of odorless, comfortable, and wear-resistant high-quality non-woven material, with moisture-proof and dust-proof functions, which can protect your clothes from dirt and moisture. It will not deform over time and is more durable. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Folding shoe rack. Organizer will be eco-friendly and harmless to both you and your pet. Rust-proof iron frame made the panel easy to maintain. The 5-cube shoe rack can be assembled into different styles to meet your various needs of the organization. Fit rooms from the entryway, closet, mudroom or bedroom. This shoe rack can hold shoes from athletic shoes, high heels or work boots to meet your long-term storage needs. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Stackable under-bed storage containers. Designed to be stackable, it helps to maximize vertical space and create a more organized storage system. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Drawer plastic modular storage organizer. Built from the highest quality precision-engineered materials for extended durability, drawers are designed to help you organize any space, in your kitchen, office, bedroom, bathroom and many more places. Small cupboard fits perfectly in tight spaces because of its sleek design that provides ample storage without occupying too much room, making it suitable for bedrooms, kitchens, or home offices. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Documents holder desk. Paper organizer not only keeps your desk tidy, but it allows for easy access to your files and office gadgets. The trays effortlessly slide in and out quietly. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Hangers. Easy to use and make it easy to see all the tank tops or bras and find what you are looking for. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Underwear organizer. The baffle is removable, so you can switch the baffle to suit your many needs. Easy to put down cell phone chargers, underwear, bras, socks and other items. With transparent acrylic design, items are clearly visible, easy and fast to find. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Cloth drying stand. Stand is made of sturdy metal, so it's durable and can withstand the elements. It's also powder coated to prevent rust, so you can use it indoors or outdoors. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Clothes organizer. Made of Oxford cloth material and a sturdy stainless steel frame which can keep the appearance neat and not easy to collapse. The storage box uses an integrated stainless steel frame and reinforced MDF bottom plate, which is more durable than other disassembly storage boxes. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Clothes organizer. Washable wardrobe clothes organizer, very suitable for storing underwear, socks, scarves, leggings, skirts, t-shirts, jeans or other items. There are multiple compartments for sorting and organizing your belongings and keep your living space organized. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Drawer divider. The length of the spacer assembly can be adjusted according to the required size by cutting down it just by scissors. Underwear, bra, socks, tie, in your drawers too. Package consists of individual strips which can be assembled in any required order with its interlocking design. It is made of high quality plastic which makes it sturdy and more durable. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Sari covers. The non-woven material, making it easier to pull out and store saris without hassle without disturbing the full stack, ensuring a smoother handling experience, keeping your saris clean. The non-woven fabric offers superior water and moisture resistance. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Shirt storage stacker. Designed for easy installation and hassle-free organizing of your clothes. It also has a smart easy-to-slide design and helps to easily reorganize. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Wardrobe hanging. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Foldable cloth storage box. The storage box is simple design and beautiful, with the fashionable striped style design, which also can be good room decorations. You should have one. The foldable feature of this storage cubes is very space-saving and convenient to take along. You could simply fold them up when you do not need to use or when you need them for travel. Product link is given in the 28th link. Thanks for watching.